बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। 9th class mathematics and chapter number 6 exponents and logarithms. Today we start the lecture number 8 and we discuss about the exercise 6.2. In our previous lecture we discussed about the exercise 6.1 and today we start the exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Write the base and exponent in the following. Okay, so first of all we have the part number 1, 16x cube. Okay, so now in 16x cube, what is the base, what is the exponent? Okay, whenever we have an expression, let's suppose x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so it's mean we have x is variable and any constant which is written with the variable, that is called the coefficient, and any constant which is written as the power of that variable, that is called the exponent. Okay, so in this expression 16 is coefficient, x is variable, and 3 is exponent. Okay, now according to this question, what is base and exponent? Okay, variable normally used as base and any constant which is power of the variable, that is called the exponent. देखिए जिस भी वेरिएबल या नंबर के ऊपर पावर होगी वो एक्सपोनेंट होता है और जिसके ऊपर पावर हो वो बेस होती है. लेट्स सपोज 5 स्क्वायर, so 5 is base and square is exponent. Okay, let's take another example. Let's suppose we have 2 cube. So 2 is the base and cube is the exponent. Okay, now according to this part, in part number 1, 16x cube, its mean base is x and exponent is 3. In part number 2, x power 9, so base is x and exponent is 9. Okay, now start the part number 3, 4y whole cube. Now 4y is the base and exponent is 3, because we know that when we have 2 cube, it means cube is the exponent and 2 is the base. So that's why in this question we have 4y is base and 3 is exponent. In part number 4, we have x minus 2 whole cube. So x minus 2 is the base and 3 is exponent. 18x power 5, so base is x and exponent is 5. Okay, now here 5 x power 3 over 2 multiply x power 1 over 2. We know that when we have the same exponent or same power, so we can write them in single square root or single under root. But we also know that if we have the same basis, means देखिए यहाँ पर आपके पास x है, यहाँ पर भी x है, base क्या हो गई? Same. So if we have same basis and we have to multiply them, so we have to add their powers. Okay, so let's suppose we have 2 multiply 2. Now 2 multiply 2 means bases are same, 2 and 2, and 2 power is 1 and other 2's power is 1. So when we multiply 2 it becomes 2 powers 2. Okay, देखिए मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखा देता हूँ. Let's suppose 2 multiply 2 equal to 2 powers 2, because same is base is same, so 2 multiply 2, power 1 and 1 2, so that's why it becomes 2 power 2. Okay, now question number 2, a square b cube power 6 whole under root. In this question we have to write this square root as 1 over 2, because we know that square root is equals to 1 over 2. Now there are two different methods to solve this question. First method is we have to multiply 6 with this 2 and 3, it becomes 12 and 18. Then we can divide with 1 over 2. And other method, first you multiply 6 with 1 over 2 and then multiply within the bracket. So we adopt second method here. So that's why 6 multiply 1 over 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So we have here 3. Now we multiply 3 within the brackets. 2 multiply 3, 6. 3 multiply 3, 9. A power 6, B power 9. Okay, now question number 3. X power minus 4, y power 3 in whole power minus 3 and whole under root power 9. So we can write 1 over 9. Now we multiply 1 over 9 within the bracket. So it becomes 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So minus 1 over 3. Now we multiply minus 4 and 3 within minus 1 over 3. So when we multiply, it becomes minus 4 multiply minus 1 over 3. 3 multiply minus 1 over 3. Minus minus plus 4 over 3. Minus minus plus 4 1s are 4. So that's why 4 over 3. Here plus minus minus 3 1s are 3. So y power minus 1. Okay. Now we take the y from numerator to denominator, so its power will be changed. Power minus 1 change into positive 1, so that's why it becomes plus 5. Question number 4. Okay. X power a, y power minus b, whole power 3, multiply x cube, y square, whole power minus a. First of all, we have to multiply 3 within the bracket, so it becomes 3a minus 3b. Okay, multiply. When you multiply a within the brackets, plus minus minus, 3 multiply minus 3a, 2 multiply minus 2a. Okay, now in this question, this x and x both are same. So if their bases are same, so we know that their powers will be add. X and x power 3a minus 3a. Okay जी? So 3a, 3b, next is y. y में देख लें आप, power is minus 3b and here is minus 2a. So we will add the powers because basis is same. When we add the powers minus 3b minus 2a is your required answer of the question number 4. Okay. Now in question number 5, 16x square divided by y minus 2 whole power minus 1 over 4. We can write 2 powers 4 because when we take the LCM of 16, it becomes 2 power 4. Okay. So now we multiply minus 1 over 4 within the bracket. So 4 multiply 1 minus 1 over 4, 2 multiply minus 1 over 4, y power minus 2 multiply minus 1 over 4. 4 4 cancel, 2 power minus 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, x power minus 1 over 2, minus minus plus, 2 2s are 4, so 1 over 2. Okay, now in this expression, we have some values with negative power and some with positive power. So we have to take the 2 power minus 1 and x power minus 1 over 2 from numerator to denominator, because when we take 2 power minus 1 to denominator, its power will be changed and it becomes 2 power plus 1. And x power minus 1 over 2 change into x power plus 1 over 2. So that's why we take them from numerator to denominator. Okay. So let's start the question number 6. Again, 27. So we can write 3 power 3 because 27 is the cube of 3 and 8 is the cube of 2. Now we multiply minus 2 over 3 within the bracket. So 3 multiply minus 2 over 3, 3 multiply minus 2 over 3, same as in the denominator. 3 3 cancel, 3 power minus 2. 3 3 cancel, x power minus 2. 3 3 cancel, 2 power minus 2 and a power 2. Why 2? Because minus minus plus. Okay. Now we take some values from denominator to numerator and some from numerator to denominator, because we have to make the powers positive. So when we take the 2 power minus 2 from denominator to numerator, it becomes 2 power 2 and 3 powers 2 and x square. Okay. Now 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, a square x square, which is your required answer of the question number 6. Question number 7. Question number 7, we have to multiply 2 within the bracket. So 2 cancel, minus minus plus, 4 power minus 2, 2 4 plus minus minus. Now we take 4 from denominator to numerator, it becomes plus 2 and c power 4. 4 square is 16, 16 ac power 4. Question number 8, a power minus 2 b multiply 3 whole under root ab power minus 3. Now this square root equals to 1 over 2 and this square root equals to 1 over 2. Now when we multiply 1 over 2 within the bracket, so it becomes a power minus 2 multiply 1 over 2, b power 1 over 2. But here we adopt the second method. So according to second method, both have same power. So that's why we write them in a single square root. So that's why we write a power minus 2 b multiply a b power minus 3 whole power 1 over 2. Okay. Now when we multiply a with a, so bases are same, powers will be add, minus 2 plus 1, b multiply b power 1 minus 3, so equals to 3 multiply a power minus 1, b power minus 2, whole power 1 over 2. Now powers are negative, so we have to take the variables from numerator to denominator, so it becomes positive. So it will be 3 multiply 1 over 1 divided by a b square. So power 1 over 2. When we take the power 1 over 2, it becomes a power 1 over 2. 2 cancel, b power 1. So 3 divided by a 1 over 2 and b. Okay. Now question number 9. A power minus 3, b power minus 2 over 3, c whole power minus 3 over 2 divided by a b square, c divided by a square and c. Okay. Now we change this divide into multiply. Denominator's value becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Okay. C cancel. Okay. Now here we multiply minus 3 over 2 within the bracket. So it becomes minus 3 multiply minus 3 over 2, same in the denominator. Now 3 3s are 9, minus minus plus 9 over 2. Here minus 2 over 3 multiply minus 3 over 2. So 2 over 3 cancel with 3 over 2, minus minus plus b and c power minus 3 over 2. Multiply a cancel with a square, so a divided by b square. Okay. Now when we take c from denominator to numerator, it becomes c power 3 over 2. And here a multiply 9 over 2 plus 1. So when we take the LCM, it becomes 11 over 2. And in denominator, b power 2 multiply b. Here power is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Question number 10. A power 4 multiply whole power 3, b power minus 1, b whole power 10, a square, b 7. Now, first of all, we have to multiply 3 with 4, it becomes 12. 10 with minus 1, minus 10, b power 10, a square, b power 7. Okay, now here a power is minus 10. When we multiply a with a, powers will be added. 12 minus 10, and this minus 2 becomes, this plus 2 becomes minus 2. So 12 minus 10 minus 2, it becomes a power 0, and we know that a power 0 is 1. Keep in mind, when we have a power 0, it becomes 1. When we have 5 power 0, it becomes 1. Any number, any variable, any constant have power 0, so it becomes 1. किसी भी नंबर, किसी भी वेरिएबल का कोई भी चीज़ अगर उसकी पावर आप 0 लेते हैं तो उसका आंसर हमेशा 1 ही आएगा. ये ध्यान में रखिएगा. 1 multiply b cube is b cube. Question number 11. Okay. Now x cube, y whole power 3, 2xy whole power minus 2, 4x power minus 4y power minus 5. Now 3 multiply 3x power 9, y power 3. Okay जी, 2 power minus 2, x power minus 2, y power minus 2. Okay, now 3 3s are 9 and x multiply x. So we add the powers. 3 power 9 minus 2, and when we take minus 4 in numerator, it becomes plus 4. So that's why we write here 9 minus 2 plus 4. Okay ji. Now y power 3, y power minus 2. When we take 5 from denominator to numerator, it becomes plus 5. So y power plus 5. Okay. In denominator, we have 4. Here we have 2 power minus 2. So when we take 2 power minus 2 from numerator to denominator, it becomes 2 power plus 2. Now, 9 minus 2 plus 4 equal to 11. Okay. Now, y power 3 minus 2, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. So y power 6. 2 power 2, 4. 4 multiply 4, 16. Okay. Now question number 18. 3 square whole power 5 divided by 9 cube multiply 27 power minus 1. Okay. Now 3 power 10 divided by 9 is the, we can write 2 cube is the, when we take the square of 3, it becomes 9. So 3 square whole power 3 multiply 3 cube whole power minus 1. Because we write 3 power 3 as 27 is the cube of 3. So that's why we write 3 power 3. Now 3 multiply 2, 6. 3 multiply minus 1 minus 3. Okay. Now you can write 3 power 10. When we take the 3 multiply 3, it becomes 3 power 3 because 6 minus 3, 3. And 3 power 7. When you take the 3 power 7, it becomes 2187. Okay जी? Question number 14. देखें इस क्वेश्चन में आपने क्या करना है. Simple we take the square. So it becomes 2 square a square b power 2 multiply 2 because of the square. Now we take the minus 2 power. 3 power minus 2, a power minus 2, b power minus 2, c power minus 4, 2 to the 4 and minus divided by ab power 4, bca power a 5, 5, 5. ओके. अब यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें तो ये -4 था, ये +4 क्यों हो गया? आप अगर गौर करें थोड़ा तो ये न्यूमिनेटर में लिखा था. जब मैंने इसको डिनोमिनेटर में लिखा तो ये -4 +4 में चेंज हो गया. ओके. सो दैट्स व्हाई ab पावर -4 चेंज इनटू ab प्लस पावर +4. ओके जी. नाउ 2 power 2 is 4, a square, b power 4. Here powers are negative, so that's why we write them in denominator. 3 square, a square, b square, c power 4 multiply. And when we change divide into multiply, we know that denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. A power 4, b power 4 divided by a power 5, b power 5, c power 5. Now a square cancel. Okay. B power 4, and when we take the b square from denominator to numerator, it becomes -2. So 4 minus 2. Here a power 4 numerator to denominator, so it becomes 5 minus 4. Here 5 minus 4 and c, because power is 4, when we take the power 4 from numerator to denominator, it becomes -4. So 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4. Now 4 minus 2, 2. 4 multiply 1, b square, 9. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. C power 5. So 9 multiply a, b, c power 5 plus 4. ये कैसे? यहाँ पर क्या है? 5 है. यहाँ पर क्या है? 4 है. दोनों क्या हो रहे हैं? मल्टीप्लाई. बेस क्या है? सेम है. बेस भी सेम है, मल्टीप्लाई भी हो रहे हैं, तो इट्स मीन के पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी। पावर से एक क्या है 5, एक क्या है 4, 4 + 5 तो 9 हो जाएगा। सिंपल सी बात है। ये b था, ऊपर b स्क्वायर है, b कैंसिल होके ऊपर क्या बचेगा, सिर्फ b बचेगा। दूसरा मेथड क्या है, इसको ऊपर ले जाएं, 2 में से 1 माइनस करें तो भी b बचता है। तो डिफरेंट मेथड्स आपको मैंने बता दिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, 2 cube multiply 6 power 5 divided by 3 power -3 multiply 4 power -4. Okay जी, we take the terms from denominator to numerator because power is odd. So 2 power 3 multiply 3 power 3 multiply 4 power 4 multiply 6 power 5. Okay, now we can write 2 square, okay, because 4 is the square of 2, so 2 square power 4, and we can write 2 multiply 3 power 5 because 6 is 2 multiply 3. When we take the LCM of 6, it becomes 2 multiply 3. Now we can write 2 power 3, 3 power 3, 2 multiply 4, 8, and 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5. ये हमेशा याद रखें, जब आपके पास ब्रैकेट में एक से ज़्यादा टर्म्स होती हैं और ब्रैकेट के ऊपर कुछ पावर होती है तो उस पावर को हम इन दोनों के ऊपर इलादा लिख सकते हैं। तो इसके ऊपर भी लिख लेंगे और इसके ऊपर भी इलादा हम लिख लेंगे। 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 5. Okay, now 2 power 3, here 2 power 8 plus 2 power 5. Bases are same, so power will be added. 3 plus 8 plus 5 equal to 16. 3 plus 5, 8. Okay, now question number 16. 2 power 5 multiply 9 power -1, 27 power -3 multiply 8 power -3. यहाँ पर देखिए 2 power 5 है, 27 को जब ऊपर ले गए 27 क्यूब multiply 8 power 3, and when we take the 9 from numerator to denominator, it becomes 9. 2 power 5 multiply 3 cube power 3, 2 power 3 whole cube, and here we write 3 square. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, cube 3 power 2. Now bases are same, so powers will be added. 5 plus 9, here 9 minus 2, because when you take 3 square from denominator to numerator, its power will be changed, plus 2 change into -2. So it becomes 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, now here power is -1, so we write this whole bracket in denominator, and here powers are negative, so that's why we write 1/4 square b power 5. Now we can write this 2 power -3 in numerator, so it becomes 2 power +3, and a power 4 and 4 square b power 5 plus 1, 6. So 4 square is 16, a power 4 is 4, and b power 6. Add 1 side, add 2 is 16, so 1/2 a power 4 b power 16 is your required answer. Question number 18, 3 square whole power 5 divided by 9 cube multiply 27 power -1. We can write 2 multiply 5 10 divided by 3 square whole power 3, because 9 is the square of 3, so that's why 3 square whole power 3, which is this 3, multiply 3 power 3 whole power -1, because 27 is the cube of 3, so that's why we write 3 cube whole power -1. Okay, now -1 multiply 3 -3, 3 2s are 6, bases are same, so we add the powers. 3 power 10 -6 plus 3. Why -6 plus 3? When we take 3 power plus 6 from denominator to numerator, so its power sign will be changed. Plus 6 change into -6, -3 change into +3. So 10 minus 6, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 3 power 7 is 2187. So now if you have any question, you can ask me for help. Hurry up. Any problem?